Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me for Resource today. Let's get started on our word problem. As I read aloud to you, I want you closing your eyes and creating a picture in your brain of the story that I am reading. We are going to do 3 reads. Your first job is to think about who or what the story is about. Cullen builds a tower of blocks. He stacks 3 blocks and then stacks 2 more. How many blocks are in the tower? So, who is the story about? That's right, it's about Cullen. And what is Cullen doing? Very good, he's stacking blocks. Let's read it again. This time, keep creating a picture in your mind and focus on the important numbers and why they're important. Cullen builds a tower of blocks. He stacks 3 blocks and then he stacks 2 more. How many blocks are in the tower? Can you tell me one important number, please? Very good. 3 was an important number because that's how many blocks Cullen stacked. Can you tell me another important number? Very good. 2 was our other important number because Cullen stacked 2 more blocks. Okay, keep your eyes closed, keep building that picture in your mind, and I want you to tell me what question I'm asking you. Cullen builds a tower. He stacks 3 blocks and then stacks 2 more. How many blocks are in the tower? What question am I asking you? Very good. I want to know how many blocks are in the tower. So let's talk about the different strategies that we can use to solve this question. All right, so the first strategy that I'm going to use is manipulatives or counters. I happen to have my red and yellow counters here. You can use any sort of manipulative that you want. So I'm first going to build 3. I'm first going to put down 3 manipulatives to show the 3 blocks that Cullen stacked. I'm then going to add the 2 more manipulatives to show that Cullen added 2 more blocks. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my manipulatives are one strategy that I can use. Another strategy that I can use is drawing a picture. So I'm going to draw the 3 blocks first that Cullen stacked, and then I'm going to draw the 2 more blocks that Cullen stacked. Count that with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Another strategy that I can use is my number line. So on my number line, I am going to start at 3 because remember, Cullen stacked 3 blocks first. And then I'm going to hop 2 times because Cullen stacked 2 more blocks. So 1, 2. And again, my answer is 5 blocks. A last strategy that I can use is my 100s chart. I can find the number 3 on my 100s chart because remember, that's how many blocks Cullen stacked first. Then I can jump up 2 more because Cullen stacked 2 more blocks. So 1, 2. Okay, friends, great job. So what equation can we write to match all of our representations? Well, let's think about it. How many blocks did Cullen stack first? That's right, he stacked 3. Very good. So 3 is our first number. Then, what did we do? Did we add more blocks? Or did we take some blocks away? Very good. We added 2 more blocks. So when we add, we use our plus sign. How many more blocks did we add? Look at your picture if you need to. Very good. We added 2 more. And then, of course, we want to know the total or the whole number of blocks that Cullen stacked. So we need our equal sign, and we figured out that 3 plus 2 equals, very good, 5. Okay, friends, thank you so much for working through that word problem with me. Here's your word problem today. So your word problem says, Gavin collects rocks. He finds 3 rocks, and then he finds one more rock. How many rocks does Gavin find? So your job is to do your 3 reads, and then solve this question using either manipulatives, you can draw a picture, You can use a number line, or you can use your hundreds chart. Just choose one strategy, or you can do more than one if you want, and then you need to write an equation that matches your representation. So you would need an equation with the numbers that you used and the math symbols that you used. Okay, friends, I can't wait for you to send me a video back showing me your work and your equation and explaining to me how you solved this word problem. Good luck and have fun with it.